Hello, hello everyone. This is Rohit and welcome back my YouTube channel Salesperson. So if you are new in this channel, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel Salesperson for more updates like this. And I need more subscriber for this channel because it's very less for this channel. So please give me some contribution from your side. So let's get started without any further delay. So in this video I'm going to show you how to work on the destructuring in JavaScript using LWC. So this is the most important things in JavaScript. So if you are working in any object and array in JavaScript, so there are so many ways to access the value, but now I am going to show you how to access that value using object destructuring, array destruction, like that. Okay, so here you can see my editor is a W3 School editor, and here this is the simple code as a HTML snippets, and here you can see as a script and opening tag, closing tag. Okay, so you have to write some JavaScript under this tag. Okay, so first of all I am going to show you as a traditional way, and after that I will show you the latest way, and we can say that the with real-time scenarios based this topic. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see let ARR equal to some array values as a string array, as a Google, IBM, and something like that, Microsoft. Okay, so this is the, we can say that this is the array of a string array. Okay, and how to access array value? So with the help of index we can access the value, but this is the traditional way, like that. So here you can see my comment using traditional ways. Okay, so traditional ways, this is the traditional ways. So as a let ARR1 equal to ARR of 0. So we can access that value with the help of index. So once you want to print, so with the help of console.log we can print this value. Okay, so just run it, and here you can see as a Google in console. Okay, so this is the traditional way, but how to access these value with the help of array destructuring. Okay, so now here you can see as a array destructuring. Okay, structuring, here you can see. Okay, so array destructuring. So array destructuring is nothing but it's a kind of new things, we can say that ECMAScript. Okay, and now here you can see as a let. First of all we need to define some variable as a let. Okay, let ARR suppose 2 equal to, and you have to write this syntax as a array, let array, then give your any name as a company1 comma company2. Okay, equal to, then assign this value into this one as a ARR under here. Okay, and it's a automatic copy these two value as a ARR value come to the under the com1 and com2. So com1 is having Google, and com2 having IBM. Okay, so let's print this value. Okay, so with the help of console.log we can print as a com1, same as I want to print with the help of com2. So now here you can see in console, I cleared this console and run. Here you can see as a Google and IBM. Okay, so this is called array destructuring, and now I am going to show you as a object destructuring in JavaScript. So this is the way to access the value with the help of an array destructuring. Okay, now I am going to show you as a object destruction, as a object destruction. So just copy this and paste it here, and now we need to write some array as a object let obj equal to, and this is the object symbol, and you have to write some like as a title, something like that, key value pair title as a developer, and now age 24, something like that. So how to access this object value in console.log? Okay, so the traditional way is like as a console.log. Okay, with the help of obj.title and age we can access these values. Okay, so like that we print as is as well, and now just clear this, and here you can see like as a developer and 24. Okay, so this is the traditional way. And now come to the object destructing, nothing but to access the value with the help of some new defined variables like let obj1 and give your object name as a key value pair. Okay, like let, and now here you can see, just remove this one because it's some extra text, like as a title, something like that, and age equal to, and assign that obj value into this. Okay, so like obj, and now it's time to print our value like as a console.log and title, only single value we can print with the help of this structure like that. Now here you can see like as age, and now just print here. So just first of all clear this and run it, and last two lines you can see 33 and 34 lines, developer and 24. So this is coming from object destruction. So this is the object destruction. Okay guys, so this is the small tips and tricks in JavaScript. This is the most important thing if you are working in LWC. Okay, stuffs, so, like as a spread operator and this destruction, the most important in nowadays. Okay, so if you like this video and if you like my content, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, comments, and please give me the valuable comments in this video. So guys, we will meet soon in next session. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.